Hi.
Hi,
This is Kim.
this is Felicia.
Yeah. We're bored. It's like, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock in the morning. And
It's
we're.
4?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay, wow.
And we're just like chilling. So, yeah. Y'all should like totally like our video because we're so cute and pretty and we're sisters and do we look the same? I don't know. Anyway, are we done?
Well, isn't this supposed to be for your stupid friend?
No.
No?
Okay. Look at the boobs.
You like the boobs?
You like the boobs? Anyways.
Oh, snap.
Okay. We will totally
I
like
don't even know if it's recording.
talk to you like later, right? Okay.
Okay, peace out.
Bye.